Alright, it is the second last day of driving with the students. We are on Nishi today, so that's going to be heaps of fun with them, and heaps of fun at lunchtime. Let's do it. Well, we've got the track to ourselves. I would rather have people to drive with, but you know what? Could be doing worse things. So let's get out and have a go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm interrupting because I have something exciting for you. We have some merch. Let me show you. We have the Small Town Drifter shirt, got the animated car on the back. Here it is here, looking fresh. There's multiple options. We've got the Dare to Drift one with the D to D at the front and drifting in front of a church on the back, and then there is just the plain Dare to Drift one as well in all sizes. We've also got hoodies, two different colors. So we've got black, got Small Town Drifter embossed on the front, and got the bubble print Small Town on the back, and it's the same with the green on the front and the back. These are oversized hoodies, 100% cotton, super thick, lined on the inside. These are awesome, but we've still got more. I have a bit of an obsession with the flags that are all around this workshop, so I got some made. We have 3 different kinds. There's actually very limited stock of these, but we will be doing more and pre-orders. So there is the yellow Dare to Drift, there is the white Small Town Drifter, and white and yellow Dare to Drift flag. But there is still one more thing I want to show you. We got stickers. We've got a sticker pack that has 5 different stickers, and we've also got the standalone Dare to Drift All Things Are Possible animation JZX. If you want any of this stuff, jump onto our website, link will be in the description, and know that it goes to a good cause and it's going to help us do this big adventure across the country, drifting along the way. So thank you, appreciate you, and let's get back to the video. So I didn't really record much of this day, but this was our final day of driving, and it is tradition that we give hot laps to all the students on the Touge course. So come for a ride in the Red Rocket and me on Touge.
sick, do hot laps, come in, they jack it up, tyres on, go back out again. Come in, full tyre change on all the cars, go back out again, rip a set off, so good.
I never actually filmed an outro for this video, but this was, like I said, the last day of our 7-day school. It was a fantastic time with some great people, met some absolute legends and some real friends that I have actually stayed in contact with, and I'm gonna be hopefully doing some stuff with them, maybe even in Japan, so that's super exciting. But yeah, like always guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I really hope you enjoy these videos. I'm enjoying being back at it, putting them together, but this was a little bit of a different one. Not much talking or sightseeing, just lots of laps and lots of driving. But in the next video I'm picking up Danielle and India from the airport, and we are going to do a Tokyo tour, and we also go to D1 GP, which is a awesome bucket list thing. But like I said guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.